Guys, we are here at the Coco Beach. Hey guys, we are here at the beach. We have parked the vehicles there. So this is a Calangute beach. I don't see anyone around. I mean, for some distance. Have a look at it. Yep, we're gonna have some fun. I've made the GoPro waterproof now. I'm gonna take it in the water. So enjoy these shots. Three, two, one, go! We are done here at the beach. Kamal, you don't want your slippers and football?
Thank you for reminding.
Sure. Now we are going there somewhere and we'll change and we'll head back to the room and get ourselves cleaned. There's a lot of sand all over my body. Guys, we just changed. Now we are going back to our bikes. It's about 1 kilometer away from here. There's a beach. Now we'll go back to our bikes and from there we'll go back to our room. We'll freshen up. We'll spend some time and we'll have our lunch and then we'll probably go to the market and buy some stuff. I guess that's the plan for now, but nothing's fixed. Well, that was fun. Damn. Oh, we forgot the plastic cover which has our wet clothes. बढ़िया. I need some water ASAP. It's too sunny today. Yep, I'll get tanned for sure. Just imagine if you have your house here, right next to the beach. So peaceful. You can go to the beach whenever you want. The beach is right there. It'll take you just a minute to go to the beach. How awesome would it be? Liking the trip so far? I don't know where these guys went. I'll sit there. There's my bike. It brought me from Hyderabad to Goa, man. There they are doing some off-road. Let me show it to you. That's some nice off-road.
Yep.
We should have bought some water, bro. You go there. I don't want these glasses. Oof, that was a save. This is our hotel. It's called Royal Mirage. This is entrance, the reception. We are heading out. We are planning to go to 6 or 7 different places. It's 2:15 PM right now. So the first place is the Devil's Finger. I don't know how the place is. We just selected places randomly and now we are going. The entire trip is about 60 kilometers. That is our room to 7 different places, and from the 7th place to back to our room. That is around 60 kilometers. We don't know how many places will we cover. It depends on the time. Also, we are planning to go to the market, as I said before. ये डेविल्स आई बोल का कुछ है ना?
ये मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा रे आपको. ये दिखाता है, नेट में डाल देता है वो अंदर एकदम मार्च में.
कैसे जाना पड़ेगा?
उधर से जाना पड़ेगा.
चल के? गाड़ी नहीं जाता?
गाड़ी नहीं जाएगा उधर. किधर गाड़ी जाएगा? वो खाली है इसका. छोटा सा रोड है.
థ్యాంక్ యూ బా. ఆడ రోడ్ పోదు, నడుచుకుంటా పోవాలి. సో క్యాన్సల్. డెవిల్స్ కేవ్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది చూడు. స్ట్రైట్ వెళ్దామా? టైం ఉందా? ఓకే. Don't know what's happening here. We're just exploring. There's a beach. We parked our bikes there. Lower Fort Aguada. Even the Devil's Eye is somewhere there. You just have to walk. There's the guy said there's a small road. That's it. Bro, camera దేలే నేను.
ఓకే, మనం పొద్దున ఇక్కడికి వచ్చామండి.
ఎందుకు
అంటే జర కొంచెం ప్రైవసీ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. కొంచెము
ఏడా బ్రో
ఫ్లో కూడా తక్కువ ఉంది.
కిందనా ప్రైవసీ ఏడా? అంటే పొద్దున ఉంటుందిలే.
ఫ్లో కూడా దేవుడు కొంచెం తక్కువ అనిపిస్తుంది.
Look at this. I don't know what beach this is, but it looks cool. It looks so beautiful. I guess this is the Kalangut beach itself. This is a lower fort. That is Aguada, Taj Aguada. No, I don't remember exactly. Yeah, I guess Taj Aguada hotel. This is a lower fort.
अरे ऐसे पकड़ जरा.
So this is how it looks. Clicking some pictures.
Yep.
That's the Kalangut beach. Kalangut है क्या? మొత్తం So this is a Kalangut beach, bro. Rocks ఎంత crazy है. We just clicked few pictures and we are moving to our next location. This place, it looks like this. Clicking few more pictures. We are done here at the lower Fort Aguada. Now I think we'll be heading to the central jail. I'll meet you on the bike. There's also a helipad in between. If you can see that helipad, it would be awesome. That's probably the helipad. Let's just go and see. We're just exploring whatever comes in our way. That's awesome, right? Where? This is the helipad. Helipad. ఇగో ఇదే బ్రో స్టంట్ రైడింగ్కి బెస్ట్ స్పాట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద హెలిప్యాడ్. నథింగ్ టూ ఫ్యాన్సీ. ओके व्हाट इज दिस नाउ? रोड है नहीं है क्या है ये? What are you? What Fort Aguada? Okay, this is Aguada Fort. Let me ask them if they want to go inside. Uddiva lopal poyedi jail ఆడ ఎన్నో ఉన్నది. ఇది లైట్ హౌస్. ఇది లైట్ హౌస్. ఇది ఇట చూడు బ్రో, ఇది జైలు. అలో లేదనుకో. లైట్ నెక్స్ట్ పోదామా? ఓకే బ్రో, నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ కోకో బీచ్. we need to cross that big bridge. Let's go back. We heard that there are boats which will take you to see the dolphins. Basically a dolphin sightseeing tour. Yeah, you can call it that. That's 5.6 kilometers from here. Guys, there's this bridge coming up. Okay, this is the bridge. This is how it looks. Okay, where do we park? Yeah. So this is the Coco Beach. I don't know what exactly this is. Bro, illa bro. Oh.
Oh, beach udunna.
ఖాళీ ఉంది. అచ్చడు పోదామా? మనము రోడ్ నుంచి ఇటే వచ్చేసాం, కొంచెం అటు పోవాలి. పోదామా? That was a Coco Beach, but we'll go somewhere there and show it to you. Yep, I think this is the way to Coco Beach. This is Coco Beach. The sand is black. There's no one here. That's awesome. The entire beach is ours. Whoa. Riding right next to the beach. So cool, man. Bro, photos these are made aagi. Idavettu. It's like a layer. Bro, ఇది ఉంది కదా లేయర్ లేకుంది. ఇగో తొక్కితే వాటర్ పక్కకు పోతున్నాయి. ఇగో ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? రే కూసో.
ఎందుకంటే కాలు పెట్ట కాబట్టి
కూసో. ఊగాకు.
అది అవతలడుతుంది.
పట్టుకున్నారా? కూసో. కదలకు అటు ఇటు కదలకు. Guys, look at this guy. He's the bike is not on stand and దిగు. ఫోటో ది. Guys, look at this. The bike is not on the stand. We are at the beach. Guys, we are here at the Coco Beach. Bro,
this bike without stand.
help me, bro.
This bike is without stand. It did set for a while, and sooner or later this will also fall.
Well, I left it like that because I know it won't damage my bike too much. Oh man, Kamal, because however it's all sand and it won't damage. Look at this view, man. Look where we are riding our bikes. Oh man. Yep, let's go. This was fun. I'll put in the next destination on the maps and I'll meet you guys there. Look at that bridge. I think now we're going to the Casino Pride. It's a casino, but we won't be going inside. We'll just stop outside and click some pictures maybe. There's the Kingfisher logo, Sanjay Ghodavat Group. I don't know what that is, but oh man, there are some real big yachts here. Ship yacht, I don't know what should I call it. Bacardi house party. Whoa. Built-in jack, the floating lounge and bar. Okay, I think this lane is basically for all the casinos are here in this lane. Whoa. These are all the casinos. The maps is asking me to take a ferry to Race Magos. That's the Big Daddy Casino. This is the Casino Pride. There's the Deltin Royale, and there are two more here. I don't know what the name is. I think that's also a casino which is in the shape of aeroplane, right, Harish?
Like a submarine.
Yeah, maybe. You can take the ferry. You can board your vehicle there and you can cross this. That's nice. That's crazy. So we have taken this ferry basically. It'll take us to the other side. That's crazy. we'll go there. What happened is we came from there, we took a left and we took that bridge, and from there we came here. Now what you can do is you can directly go to the other side. Man, this is one good experience. Nice. Just look at this ferry. We need to get off of this ferry now. We just came on a ferry. Whoa! So there's a slight change in the plan. We had to go to Mapusa, and from there we had to go to St. Francis Xavier Church, but we cancelled those two, and now we are going to the Anjuna Beach. So I'll meet you guys once we are at Anjuna Beach. Here we are, Anjuna Beach parking, 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler. They put a ZX-10R for the 2-wheeler. That's awesome. The entrance to the Anjuna Beach. You can chill. This is Anjuna Beach. That's the entrance. People are fishing there, clicking some pictures. Guys, we are done here at Anjuna Beach. Now I guess we'll be heading back to the room or to the Anjuna market. I'm not sure. I'll meet you while riding. So this is a parking. I'll park my bike here. Harish parked it there. They're charging 20 rupees for parking, and the entrance is from there. I've showed it to you already. There are shacks here and there. Now we are heading to the Anjuna market to buy some stuff maybe. We don't know if we are gonna buy anything, but we are heading to the market with the intention of buying, that's for sure. It's around 1 kilometer from here.